Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. Got a Commando steel laminated padlock, and this is the actually M1 keyway, although it is a 5-pin version of just the key blanks, the M10. And this does have security pins in it. It's kind of a fun pick. It's got a dead core, kind of like the Master 570. And this is a fun pick here. Picked it a couple times off camera. A couple of times opened up fairly easily, and a couple times it's given me some trouble. Don't typically pick locks off camera, but wasn't sure what I was going to do with this one. It was given to me from a buddy of my dad's, and there's no key for it, so I'm thinking I'm probably going to just try to get the pick on video, and then maybe do a video making a key, and then just send it back to him. Once it's got a nice working key and everything. So we're on a false set here. So I'll go hunting around for security pins. More specifically, spool pins. I thought earlier when I picked it, I thought number 1 was a spool, but I was also picking it, watching something on YouTube, not paying a whole lot of friggin' attention, so. Yep, now we're in a false set for sure. Let me try this again here with a little wiper insert in there to push the pick off of. When I was doing this a couple days ago with this lock, I think that number 1 is the spool pin, or a spool pin, and I think it's pretty short. Yeah, I'm getting counter rotation now. Big click, it would not open. Must be another spool in there too, because it smooth turn lock. Shoot. Do you know what though? I didn't even lose the false set. I don't believe I didn't hear anything fall anyway. Okay, we're really in a deep false set now. There we go. And we're open, so kind of sloppy, but whatever, it's open. I think I've been playing with leashes too much, and it's affected my ability to pick an actual lock. Or with actual lock picks, I mean. But anyway, if I do make a key for it, I'll link the video. And that will do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.